How to view replies on Threads app easily. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can view our replies on Threads app very easily. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. Before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, you just need to download the Thread application onto your device and make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the app. And if you haven't updated your app, just update your app for that feature. After that, you just need to head over to your profile. Just log in into your Threads app using your login details. After that, in order to see your replies very easily, you just need to navigate to this heart section at the bottom at the fourth option. When you go here, you'll be able to see all follows, replies, and mentions. So in order to see the replies that you've done in certain posts, what you need to do is simply click on this replies section, and here you should be able to see your replies very easily. So if you have replied to any of the posts that was available on your homepage or to any of the posts of your friends, you'll be able to find your replies section, all of the notifications right here. You just need to come here, and if you want to delete it, just click on those replies and delete those replies. Or you may just go to your homepage or go to the search bar and search for that person to whose post you have replied, and just go there. And if you want to delete it, just tap on that reply and you should be able to delete it very easily or view your reply on that particular post. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to view your reply on Threads app very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.